What's up, man?
Just bugging.
So what's wrong with this one?
It's not charging.
Oh, well, we've been there, done that. That is a sweet Dune Buggy. I think the Dune Buggy bros would like that one right there.
It is a nice one, isn't it?
At first, what'd you think was wrong with it?
Well, I told him not to go ahead and get an alternator. He was going to go ahead and purchase an alternator. And I said, well, you know, it looks like a really nice new Bosch generator. I said, there's other things that could make it not charge. The first thing I do when I see a generator is I pull the belt off and go ahead and test it and see if it spins. And you can manually hook it up. You can bench test it. You can take it off the car if you wanted to. You don't need to. Just take the belt off. It wouldn't turn. You can hook it up positive here, and then you put your ground screw in here, and you'll connect this to that, and it'll start spinning. And then you can connect it over to here and energize it, and it's going to spin even faster.
Connect 12 volts to D+, that's the generator output, and then ground the case. Then if we hook up the field to ground, it'll turn a lot faster.
Well, I have several used ones, so I pulled them all out and we were testing them and testing our theory. Some of them would work, some of them would go into the high gear so they're not charging. You know, I don't know what you'd call it, but speeds up. So this one clunked when I did the test. It wouldn't spin, it was trying to make some sort of effort, but I've never heard one clunk inside. So just manually hooking up, it would clunk and wouldn't spin. So this is bad. There may be some additional wiring issues with the car, I don't know, but if this doesn't pass a bench test, it doesn't matter what the wiring in is the car. So he decided, of course, go ahead and get an alternator. So I'll be taking the voltage regulator out of the system and he won't be dealing with it anymore. And he upgraded to a 75 amp, a nice pretty chrome one. Took this plastic doohickey off, and you can see where somebody broke it to clear the carburetor. Doesn't give much room for the wires. Now your wires, they got plenty of room down there. They're not restricted.
If you guys would like to purchase that alternator, there's the part number right there.
And here's the chrome backing plate for the fan.
Links down in the description.
So more EMPI parts going on today.
EMPI galore.
So now while it's on the vehicle, of course we couldn't get the shroud out from here. You're gonna have to remove your carburetor. You're gonna have to change your stand, but he already had an alternator stand which supports a generator, but a generator stand will not support an alternator. So he already had that, but if you don't, you're gonna have to change that. You're gonna have to raise the shroud up. You know, in a car you can take the deck lid off and the hinges and you can take the whole shroud out with no problem. Well, in this instance, we can't do that. So we just raise it up enough to clear, and you can pull it right out and without hitting anything or scratching it. So we're gonna go on from here and see if we can get it charging. Then I'll backtrack into the wiring. I could actually just hook it up myself with some positive over here, excite the wire. I can read the charging off of this, rev it up, and then go back and check my wiring and not put anything on this that's on the car. It needed one. 13.2, rev it up.
It's charging.
It is charging. You can leave your voltage regulator on when you do this, but why? When this fails, you might get an interruption in your circuit, you know, so it's not needed. So go ahead and eliminate it, and we eliminate it and put loom on all of it and straighten up his wires and everything. I keep saying this, people, you got to clean these reusable filters. You have to spray them with the dyed oil. I just see people with them just brand new out of the package, throw them on and drive around and wonder why they're getting dirt in their carburetor. It's oil that captures the dirt and does.
We got an EMPI carb there too. I
Yeah,
see.
got a lot of nice EMPI parts on this.
It's looking sweet.
Look up here. Both lights are on.
Well, I'd say it's good to go.
Yep, it's great. Oh, I got it idling right now. Everybody seems like they're idling like it's a V8. Carburetor was way out of adjustment. You're turning that fuel air mixture out 6 turns or so, you've got another issue. Really should only have to be about 2.5 out. You're
Just bugging in the Dune Buggy, bro.
Hanna-Barbera. Speed buggy.
Brake, socket, plugs, motor, tire, chassis, speed buggy. That's me.
It's a nice Dune Buggy. I like the color.
I love the gauge in the middle.
Yeah.
This fuel gauge apparently don't work.
Yeah, somebody cut a little too much though.
Yeah, you think? I mean, why can't you just take the ring off and use it as a template?
Yeah.
What's up, Dalton?
What's up, man?
He's got it all the way up.
Oh yeah, he does.
Dalton and the Dune Buggy. It's Dune Buggy Dalton. Just bugging in the Dune Buggy.
Yeah.
Dune Buggy Brothers. Oh yeah, that'll work. Looks like another successful running Dune Buggy. Sounds good.
It's a sweet Dune Buggy.
It's charging and both lights come on as it should. And it goes off. That's how it's supposed to work. If the bulb doesn't work, no charging.
That's Speedy.
Yeah, this is Speedy.
Speed buggy.
Stay tuned for him to pick it up.
Yep, he's on his way soon.
Yeah.
Just bugging.
Just bugging.
Just the element, take it off of the car. Then blow it out, let it dry in the sun, and then you take the spray, which has a red dye in it, and spray it until it's pink, you know, inside and out. Wipe it off, put it on there.
Yeah, it's red now, no longer white.
Yeah, I don't know how many times. So I see these like they are out of the package and not paint, because everyone just thinks it's a filter.
The pink is what collects your
Yeah,
dirt.
it's the oil that actually makes the filter work.
See you, man.
See you later. Thank you for the good work. No problem.
See you, man.
Sweet Dune Buggy, man.
Yeah, it is, man. Well, I hope he enjoys it and doesn't have no charging issue anymore.
I don't think so.
Get all your EMPI parts at the EMPI Authorized dealer, the VDUB factory of Ocala.
Yeah. Well, some shiny parts there too, huh?
Yeah,
Courtesy
it
of EMPI.
Yeah. Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video that I pulled out of the Just Buggin archives back from May of 2022. We had a great time working on that Dune Buggy and helping that guy get back out on the road.